with our Employee of the Month for maintenance, Mr. Chico Rubio. It is an outstanding honor because Chico has been with Metro for over 49 years. Simply outstanding record of service, dedication, and commitment. Chico is what we call a Mechanic A leader, which means he is the best of the best. He's known for his commitment, being a leader to the other mechanics. He is responsible for making sure we meet rollout every day at Division 9 in Monte. And by the way, Division 9 is the best bus division of the year, in part due to outstanding employees like Chico Rubio. So Chico, I want to thank you for all of your hard work, your dedication and commitment, your really knowledge of mechanics and maintenance of our buses to the highest quality is unmatched by anyone in the division. I want to thank you so much. I understand he is also not just a public servant here with Metro, but in his community. He loves bowling and contributing to his local charities in the community. Thank you for demonstrating how Metro's people are our greatest asset. Congratulations.
My honor to work with him and serve him in the local community. I've been working with Chico for the past 3 years. He truly embodies the values of Metro. And again, thank you, Chico. Thank you for your service. My honor and pleasure to work with you.
It's been a pleasure working with him. He's very knowledgeable, and I'm still learning from Chico.
Really?
Yes, I am.
Congratulations, Chico.
All right, Daryl.
That's it for me, buddy.
I like working for MTA. Metro will take care of your life. I bet you my family is going to be proud.